Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so you can change low-level UI settings. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This gives you a secure channel to issue commands. Install ADB on your computer and connect the phone via USB, then run a DB devices to confirm the link. Once done, you have the tools to restore the navigation bar without deep resets. Make sure the phone stays awake and unlocked while you proceed. Otherwise, commands can fail or timeout. You now attempt the change either inside settings or with ADB when the option is hidden. First, look under System Gestures or Navigation Bar options and toggle the on-screen buttons back. If the UI option is gone, run the ADB command to set Navigation Bar visible to 1. This writes the flag the system reads. Once done, toggle gesture navigation off and on to force a refresh, because the framework sometimes needs a restart to rebuild the bar elements. You finish by rebooting the device so the system fully applies the restored setting. Many UI changes require a restart. If the navigation bar still fails to appear, try a secondary ADB command to refresh system UI or reinstall recent system UI updates that might have corrupted layout. As a last resort fallback, install a reputable navbar app or perform a factory reset only after backing up data. Troubleshooting tip: verify you didn't disable system UI or nav services in a permissions manager. Re-enable them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.